click on System Settings, select Users and Groups, click on the eye icon next to the user that you want to delete, and then click on Delete User, enter your password, and then click on Unlock. This would then give you 3 options regarding what you want to do to your home folder of the user that you want to delete. If you go to your computer, Macintosh, and then open your users, and this is your home folder. So what are the 3 options regarding this home folder? The first option saves the home folder in a disk image, and then the disk image is saved in the deleted users folder, which means you can restore files later by mounting that disk image. Second option is don't change the home folder, which would leave the user's home folder untouched. However, the account is removed, but all files and folders remain accessible. And the last option is to delete the home folder, which would permanently erases everything in the user's home folder. Once you confirm, you cannot recover any of that user's files. So be careful selecting the third option. However, because I don't have any files in my user that I want to delete, so I select delete the home folder option. But if you got files inside your home folder, don't select this option. So once you're happy with your selected option, select delete user. Username is now deleted. It also deleted the home folder associated with that user.